Hello aspirants, welcome to our channel DISC Civil Services in Detail, guiding aspirants to become officers. Let's begin our session of the Hindu Current Affairs Analysis and Answer Writing Strategies of March 20, 2025. So here's the list of few highly important topics which are high probable for upcoming competitive exams. As we begin our sessions with the most impactful course, here this is the one. Don't look at your feet to see if you are doing it right. Just dance. True. So, first most important topic of the day, El Nino or La Nina. So, murky pattern of temperature keeps confusion alive. It's high probable and very important for all competitive exam. And every year, at least one question comes from this particular point. So here just go through the article once and make a note of the synopsis. I have added few slides to give complete crux and complete details of this particular La Nina and El Nino. If you have gone through your NCERT basics or Gochin Leong, you might have come across this particular topic. But again, I am revising all the static part along with the current part through these slides, where I have given complete details and I have added few PYQs and given you few inputs also. For example, if something related to prelims comes, they may definitely ask you a few points relevant to impact or meaning, or they may ask recent observations or current situations. But when it is coming to mains, it is highly important. You should definitely have at least 2 pages of prepared answer for this particular topic, where you will be discussing about actually why in news, as we already do always. Other than this, what is it all about? What is it, or the definition or the meaning? As we know, the definition or meaning of La Nina and El Nino, they both are like complete opposite climatic trends which gives lots of impact on both monsoons, weather, even the ecosystem economics, even the marine system and all. So this should be the basic meaning, and what is its definition meaning, that should be the second. And third, how it forms. Of course, from low pressure to high pressure, that is from west to east, that is El Nino, and from high pressure to low pressure, that is from east to west, that is La Nina. So how it gives impact, how they form, how temperatures are relevant, what happens at Ecuador and Peru, and how it is connected to the Indian Oscillation. You should definitely do a little bit of homework. It's about Southern Oscillation. So what is ENSO? All these things. A phase of El Nino, and the impact, yes, definitely very much impact important. So impacts of El Nino and La Nina, both at global level, and as we are discussing about India, so national level very much important when you are writing something like UPSC mains. And apart from that, if possible, draw a diagram which is explaining complete scenario, that how it forms like this. If it is like, consider this as a equator, 0 degrees equator. So how this if you consider this as India, so how it low pressure takes place and how it goes out opposite when it is high pressure. So how it makes that impact, brings that impact especially on that Indo-Pacific region. So if you draw this kind of diagram and explain it with little bit of pictogram, excuse me, I'm extremely sorry, I have severe cold, fever, headache, so horrible cough. But even I tried to cover this today's session because Hindu is very much important, we have to do every day. So bear with me for today if I'm not okay. So coming back to the session, if you give a little bit of pictorial information, the the मतलब आप जितना पेरा में लिखोगे उससे ज़्यादा अगर आप इस तरह के graphs, here I added this graph to give that to give that idea. If you are drawing something related to this particular topic and adding few graphs like this, examiner will feel like बहुत impress होंगे और आपको पक्का 100% he feel like yes, इसको बहुत कमांड है, कंटेंट है, तो हमें इसको ज़रूरी मतलब मोर देन 60% मार्क्स देना है. दिस इज़ व्हाट ए नॉर्मल आंसर के और टॉपर आंसर का डिफरेंस जो होता है, दैट इज़ वेयर आई एम टेलिंग यू टू स्ट्रेस. Yeah, so again, it's all about draw a diagram with complete details, like just I mentioned, and if possible, recent observations, मतलब जहाँ कुछ भी हुआ है उसका ऑब्जर्वेशंस क्या होगा, मतलब अगर ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, इंडोनेशिया में, अदर नेशंस में कुछ भी उसके वजह से हाउ द रेनफॉल चेंज एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स, उसके बाद में आप थोड़ा अपना वे फॉरवर्ड लिख सकते हो कि मतलब दीज आर हैपनिंग अगेन बिकॉज ऑफ द वार्म ओशन करंट, सो उसको कंट्रोल करने के उसका रीज़न है ग्लोबल वार्मिंग या क्लाइमेट चेंज, और अदर पर्सपेक्टिव्स भी होते हैं विच इज़ गिविंग ह्यूज इम्पैक्ट, मतलब रेनफॉल इसके ऊपर डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली डिपेंड होता है, विच इज़ इधर क्रिएटिंग कंप्लीट ड्राफ्ट सिचुएशन और फ्लड सिचुएशंस। एंड रीसेंट ऑब्जर्वेशंस में आप ये भी लिख सकते हो कि जो ऑस्ट्रेलियन फ्लड्स विच वी डिस्कस्ड इनिशियली इन अवर सेशंस विच हैपेंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस एलिना, मतलब आप ये सब पॉइंट्स एक जगह लिख के, मतलब when you were discussing about Australian floods, we discussed it is because of this scenario. So जब आप लिख रहे हो something related to geography, especially oscillation or La Nina or weather or changes or something related to this wind speed or something, temperatures, ocean currents and all, you can quote this observation as an example. That is where I'm telling you, आपको जहाँ, मतलब you should definitely have a command, but आपको इतना information होता है, उस information को how beautifully you are summarizing and presenting it in a wonderful way, that is what makes you topper in the exam. See, everyone reads the same Hindu, everyone reads the same content, everyone reads the same textbooks, but why very few become the topper? Because they articulate the style of answer writing, means answer writing. प्रैक्टिस के जरिए वो क्या करते हैं, उसको और कैसे एनहांस कर सकें और कैसे मॉडिफाई कर सकें, सो दैट वी विल बी डूइंग गेटिंग दैट एक्स्ट्रा मार्क्स। ये सेशंस करने का मेन मेन एंड मेन मोटो भी वही है कि अलोंग विथ कंटेंट, अलोंग विथ करंट अफेयर्स, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा समझ में आना चाहिए आंसर राइटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी क्या है और कैसे प्रेजेंट करना है। सो आप अगर वेटरन हो, मतलब सीनियर मोस्ट एस्पिरेंट हो, तो इस पर्टिकुलर आंसर को और एनहांस कर सकते हो, जैसे कि इंडिया का मैप डाल के यू एक्सप्लेन अबाउट द हाउ एल निनो गोज टू वेस्ट टू ईस्ट एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स, low pressure to high pressure, and you can even discuss about this ocean currents, waves and all these things. Yes, so coming back to this article, it is all about effects impact. So La Nina, El Nina, here I have given few diagrams. If possible, try to draw these in your current affairs notes so that it will be helpful. मतलब notes making में अगर आप इस तरह के diagrams लिख के रखोगे, draw करके रखोगे, so when the day you are writing your test series, you will be able to reproduce these answers, these particular concepts there. मतलब टेस्ट सीरीज में लिखोगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली मेंस आंसर में भी प्रेजेंट कर लोगे. This is what the main intention was to. So coming back to this topic, it is El Niño का meaning होता है Crischild. This was introduced by fishermen from Ecuador and Peru, as I already mentioned, describing the warming of the central and eastern Pacific Ocean. So it's referred to the periodic rise in sea surface, especially these coasts of Ecuador and Peru. ये terminology बहुत ज़्यादा है, important है, इसको लिखना है, and it happens every 2 to 7 years. तो अभी आप बताओ, La Nina and El Nina are complete opposite climatic trends which gives lots of impact on weather, rainfall and even on the sea waters, ecosystem, marine system and everything. So how it impacts we will be discussing in detail. See, अगर अभी यहाँ टॉपिक आपको कुछ दिया गया है, यहाँ कुछ आप बता रहे हैं, आपको immediately should do all the static as well as current part. This is what important. सो इन टिपिकल ईयर सरफेस लो प्रेशर सिस्टम जो होता है नदरन ऑस्ट्रेलिया और इंडोनेशिया के पास हाई प्रेशर सिस्टम सेटअप करता है ओवर द कोस्ट ऑफ पेरू. एंड कॉन्सिक्वेंटली क्या होता है, ट्रेड विंड्स अक्रॉस द पैसिफिक ओशन ब्लो स्ट्रांगली फ्रॉम ईस्ट टू वेस्ट, एज आई ऑलरेडी mentioned. And here I clearly mentioning again that cold nutrients rich water from the depths rises to the surface along the coast of Peru, replacing the warm water. This is what happens. So please go through these diagrams once, which is explaining about how this low pressure to high pressure gives and how this cold water to warm water converts and what happens near this Papua New Guinea, Southern America, Northern America, especially this Indo-Pacific region and India, and how it is bringing this weak trade winds and warm water flows eastward, where the sea level drops and all these things. And yes, here in this particular chart, I have added clearly the difference. It is all about basic difference between El Nino and La Nina आपको मालूम होना चाहिए, because question may appear relevant to something discuss about इसका complete scenario, but you should definitely know. So sea surface temperature में क्या होता है आपको पता होना चाहिए. ट्रेड विंड्स कैसे फॉर्म होते हैं आपको पता होना चाहिए. सो स्ट्रॉन्गर देन यूजुअल लानिना में होता है, वीकर इन एलिनो में होता है. सो रेनफॉल इन इंडिया कैसे होता है, स्ट्रॉन्गर मानसून मोर रेनफॉल लाइक फ्लड सिचुएशन आता है बिकॉज ऑफ लानिना, एंड वीकर मानसून लेस रेन आता है एलिनो की वजह से, बिकॉज ऑफ विच अगेन इट इज गिविंग अ फ्लड ड्राफ्ट काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन. सो वेदर इम्पैक्ट क्या होता है, ड्राफ्ट्स इन साउथ अमेरिका, हैवी रेन इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया. एज आई ऑलरेडी मेंशन्ड, रिसेंट ऑस्ट्रेलियन फ्लड्स is highly important and an example. Please, if possible, go back to our channel and check out the important inputs, important current affairs which we recently uploaded. So again see, La Nina भी ड्राफ्ट्स इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड इंडिया आता है, फ्लड्स इन सदर्न अमेरिका आता है. सो इफ़ यू राइट आंसर लाइक दिस, मतलब आप थोड़ा एल नीना ला नीना का मीनिंग बताओगे, हाउ इट फॉर्म्स बताओगे, डिफरेंस बिटवीन बताओगे, सिचुएशन सर्कमस्टांसेस बताओगे, चैलेंजेस फेसिंग एंड द एरियाज अफेक्टेड, लोकेशंस गेटिंग इम्पैक्ट, ये थोड़ा डिस्कस करके वहाँ अपना ओन आंसर प्रेजेंट करोगे, ट्रस्ट मी, without any hesitation you will be in the top list. That's it. So coming back to the article, global effect क्या होगा, cooler global temperature during La Nina होगा and warmer global temperature during El Nino होगा. As simple as that. So how it is giving impact? So impact of La Nina and El Nino. Here I have clearly mentioned. First one is on weather and climate, second one is on agriculture, third one is on global temperature, fourth one on marine life. You can also write like ecosystem, मतलब impact of ecosystem आप ऐड कर सकते हो, impact on economics ऐड कर सकते हो, मतलब it decides the complete agriculture factors and it decides how the growth, trade, everything directly indirectly interconnect होता है ना, तो economy भी discuss कर सकते हो. एंड आप थोड़ा ऐसे भी बता सकते हो इम्पैक्ट इन इंडिया, और जैसे कि ऑलरेडी मेंशन किया गया है व्हाट हैपेंस, हाउ इट फॉर्म्स, ये सब कुछ बताओगे अलॉन्ग विद दिस इम्पैक्ट. सो एल नीना क्या करता है ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, एज आई ऑलरेडी मेंशन, ड्राफ्ट्स वगैरह आके. ला नीना क्या करता है, मानसून एक्टिविटी इन इंडिया में, अगेन फ्लड्स इन साउथ ईस्ट आता है. तो ऑन एग्रीकल्चर हाउ इट गिविंग इम्पैक्ट, डिस्टर्ब्स क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन ड्यू टू ड्राफ्ट्स इन की एग्रीकल्चर रीजन्स लाइक इंडिया एंड साउथ ईस्ट एशिया. एंड ला नीना क्या करता है, एक्सेसिव और ह्यूज रेनफॉल विच इज अगेन कॉजिंग फ्लड्स काइंड ऑफ डैमेजिंग क्रॉप्स. सो सिंपल एक वर्ड में बताऊं तो इट इज गिविंग नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट, and it is like complete opposite climatic conditions. That is where it is all about. So if you are talking about marine life, you can here see that it reduces the fish stock and it is affecting the fish industries, which I already told you. And La Nina क्या करता है, cooler water supports for the growth of marine life. This is what happens. So here are the few prelims point of view questions, as this is high probable, which appeared many times in PYQs and it is having high chances of getting in this year too, because it is repeatedly happen. So consider the following statements where El Nino is caused due to the occurrence of warm current off the coast of Peru. So La Nina is caused due to the occurrence of cold current off the coast of Australia. So which of the following statements are true? Only one, only two, both, neither one of the, or none of the above. So please comment your answer in our comment section. मतलब आप जो आंसर सही समझ रहे हो वहाँ लिखो. इट्स काइंड ऑफ गिविंग यू ए लिटिल बिट ऑफ होमवर्क, मतलब हमेशा क्लास सुन के चले जाने के बगैर थोड़ा इंट्रैक्शन भी होगा तो आपको रिविजन होगा एंड यू विल बी लाइक मच मोर इंटरेस्टेड काइंड ऑफ. And coming to these mains answers which are high probable, and just go through how the questions were, just understand. If possible, try to write these 200 words questions, and if possible, DM us either in Telegram or in Instagram or in YouTube, or you can even post your answer there. We'll definitely see and will definitely guide you, mentor you, and we'll definitely rectify if any errors are there, and would definitely like to help you, support you to improve your answer writing skills. So here I have given three main questions based on framed on El Nino and La Nino. If possible, try to answer at least one of them in 200 words. So first one is about discuss the mechanism of El Nino and establish its effect on the Indian agriculture in general. यहाँ थोड़ा आपको डिटेल जाना होगा. And few recent और past events जो थे 1970s, since 1970s which given huge impact, वो आपको थोड़ा डिस्कस करना पड़ेगा. So, second question. In view of El Nino, what immediate and long term steps can be taken by the government at state and local levels? See, this is very beautiful question. This kind of questions definitely appears. वो थोड़ा आपको गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव्स जैसे कि फार्मर सपोर्ट सिस्टम में क्या कर रहे हैं, क्लाइमेटिक वेदर कंडीशंस के लिए, और एडवांस early warning systems, how they are preparing, how they are trying to control the damage, all these initiatives you can write there. Even you can quote about this National Disaster Management Act too. So better management of the public distribution system can mitigate the impact of El Nino on the Indian economy. As I already told you, economy पे बहुत ज़्यादा भारी पड़ जाता है, तो उसको हैंडल करने के लिए पीडीएस सिस्टम का कैसे इम्पैक्ट होगा. मतलब वहाँ एग्रीकल्चर इम्पैक्ट हो रहा है, फ्लड या ड्राफ्ट सिचुएशन आ रहा है, खेती बाड़ी रुक जा रहा है, तो डेफिनेटली आपको सर्वाइवल के लिए, फार्मर के लिए जो हाईली डिपेंडेंट अपॉन द एग्रीकल्चर एंड फार्मिंग लैंड्स or on the fishing, these people definitely need some support. So how this better management of PDS can tackle that? Such a beautiful answer, but don't stick to one particular angle. Try to give this multi-dimensional approach, even if you feel like it is asking only one particular aspect like PDS. But you should definitely touch the other aspects and angles too. Okay, let's go to the next article. Yeah, days after peace deal, clashes in Manipur kill one. See, every day there's a one or other article is coming on Manipur, and they are clearly mentioning about this violence, especially between these Mighties versus Cookies. Now, Hamas versus these who called the Zomi communities. So all about missing cases, violence. So they are coming up for this peace talks. They want security forces to be take care of marching and all, and this unhealthy atmosphere of mistrust have should be prevented, so that those many of the families got displaced and they lacked even survival, many lost lives, so all this should be taken care of. सो दिस पर्टिकुलर आर्टिकल एवरीडे न्यूज़पेपर में आ रहा है, जितना भी बताऊं वही रिपीटेशन ऑफ द फैक्ट्स एंड डेटा होगा. But I'm adding again the slide to make you sure. See, if an article since last 6 months repeatedly happened and the area where the president rule emergency has been announced, just imagine question तो पक्का आएगा ही आएगा. Prelims में आएगा, mains में आएगा, and even in interview आएगा, because these are the northeastern states have lots of other impacts too on border issues, infiltration issues and all. So yes, we'll go to the next topic. NASA's astronauts stranded in space. So इस particular article मैंने आपको already बता दिया है. So SpaceX ship जो है, Dragon crew जो है, so they came back, splashdown done. She landed safely and everyone is applauding. So after 9 months, she is back to home. Even one more article added in this particular today's session only, who are in her hometown, they are celebrating that Sunita Williams have come back. So in this particular article, they again mentioned about this 286-day stay exceeds the unusual or usual 6-month ISS rotation, but ranks only 6th among US record for single mission duration. So here they have given few facts about these records, very much important. This year in prelims you can definitely expect a question on either international space station, or Bharatiya Antariksha space station, or Sunita Williams, or NASA, or ISRO, relevant to this particular crew record and all these things. Just be prepared and thorough with these little bit of facts. दैट्स इट. एंड इफ पॉसिबल अनदर सुनीता एंड विल्मो हु आर द पीपल हु ट्रैवल, उनका नाम भी थोड़ा याद रख लीजिए. गगनयान और चंद्रयान तो कैसे भी पूछेगा ही पूछेगा. उसके साथ साथ ये भी थोड़ा अभी हाई प्रोबेबल टॉपिक है जो करंट इशू में चल रहा है. सो एक बार देख लीजिए. या सप्लाई ऑफ एड टू पीपल ऑफ गाजा मस्ट कंटिन्यू इंडिया. हियर एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स मिनिस्ट्री ने बताया है कि होस्टेजेस शुड बी रिलीज्ड एंड वेयर इजराइल हैज resumed bombing, calling for the resumption of humanitarian supplies to Palestinians and the release of all hostages should be taken by the Hamas group. So here they are focusing on, we are concerned at the situation in Gaza. It is important that all hostages are released. We also call for the supply of humanitarian assistance to the people of Gaza to be sustained. So this is all about again इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस जो भी चल रहा है हाईली इम्पोर्टेंट है. ये ग्लोबल लैंडस्केप में इंडिया का जो फॉरेन पॉलिसी है वो बहुत ज़्यादा ही इम्पोर्टेंट है इस ईयर वे वी आर एक्सपेंडिंग अवर ग्लोबल फुटप्रिंट. यू कैन ऑब्जर्व दैट फ्रॉम आवर हॉनरेबल पीएम्स recent initiatives and recent visits and launches and having that people to people connectivity and diplomatic solutions, how we are being that what is called being not taking any particular side, or instead of that we are making that middleman or middle path or the one who is supporting the dharma kind of. So coming back to this article, the West Asia conflict is not at the center of discussions at the 3-day Raisina dialogue. So the Russia-Ukraine conflict dominated the sessions. But इसके बारे में किसी ने बात नहीं किया है. So now the ministers attending the conference coming from European countries, they should think about the innovation. So they should come think about this history of hardships, and they should definitely talk about how it can be taken care of and how it can be handled so that situations can be, मतलब peace जो है उसको establish करने के लिए जो कुछ भी करना है करेंगे, और हमारे तरफ से जो भी मदद जा रही है वो जारी रहेगी. दिस इज व्हाट दिस होल आर्टिकल इज अबाउट. हाँ, so when you are writing something related to India's foreign policy, you can quote this particular article as a case study. और जस्ट ए वन लाइन फैक्ट भी लिख सकते हो. सो फर्स्ट रेस्पॉन्डर बोलते हैं ना इंडिया को, सो वी ऑलवेज कम एज फर्स्ट रेस्पॉन्डर और ह्यूमैनिटेरियन ग्राउंड्स. इसको एक पॉइंट में लिख सकते हो. कैबिनेट अप्रूव्स 1500 crore UPI incentive to banks. UPI and digital transactions always high probable थे and PYQ था. इस ईयर भी high chances of appearing in exam. So in this particular article they are clearly talking about UPI payments of less than 2000 for 2024 to 25 जो भी है उसको इंसेंटिव दिया जाएगा, वेयर बैंक्स विल बी गेटिंग दिस 0.15% इंसेंटिव एंड 1/5 ऑफ विच विल बी इनकम्बेंट ऑन adequate performance of their infrastructure over the year. So incentive इसलिए दिया जा रहा है so that there will be more number of transactions. So UPI acceptance should be broadened. Unlike the debit and credit cards, there is no merchant fee on UPI payment. So it should be, it's a kind of giving them the scope to improve that access, improve the transactions. That is where, that is why they focused and introduced this incentives to bank. Ramnath Goenka awards goes to the two Hindu journalists. So awards always high probable होते हैं. So Maitri Porecha, senior assistant editor, won award for politics and government in the print category, and Satya Sundar Barik, the Hindu Odisha correspondent, won the award in uncovering invisible Indian category. So Mr. Barik won for 2 reports, that is missing data of Odisha's border villages, which published in 2023 December. So may have chances of, or you can quote these as these studies as case studies. BJP passed through for lauding government. It's a kind of giving that what is called he during an interactive session titled "Waging Peace, Looking Back to Look Ahead" at the Raisina. So because of this Raisina dialogue, which is which went on since March 17 to 19. The delegates, the important people, have delivered important notes, keynotes, and speeches on different aspects starting from AI, Ukraine, Russia, Gaza, and what it's called economic development, trade, defense, security, third world war, all these kind of, they covered almost every important aspect which is highly important at the global level. So they were focusing on lasting peace for the future and sustainability and all these things, future generations. So here in this particular article, Shashi Tharoor was saying, see, India stands where it is taking, not making any stance or taking one side. Instead of that, it is behaving like neutral and taking. Um, See, recently PM Modi जी का एक podcast वायरल हुआ था, where he was giving a complete picture of India's ideology. Matlab India, how is going to become global power, how it is maintained the diplomatic relations. Even Chinese people, Chinese executives and Trump applauded that. So here, same point he's mentioning since last 2-3 articles. We observe that how he is applauding our foreign policy and works. That's it. Yeah, space stations are more than just orbital platforms. See, these science quizzes I add just make to sure आपको थोड़ा रिवीजन हो जाएगा, थोड़ा फैक्ट्स और डेटा मिल जाएंगे, क्योंकि यहाँ क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं और यहाँ आंसर्स दिए गए हैं. एंड इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट दिस स्पेस स्टेशंस, as I already mentioned. So what is common to the International Space Station and illegal Israeli settlements of Adey Ad and Givat Harel and the city of Albany in Western Australia. सो इस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस यहाँ दिए गए हैं और यहाँ पे आंसर्स दिए गए हैं. तो मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, जब भी कुछ क्विज आता है हिंदू में, you will be getting content, you will be getting revision, you will be getting habituated to answer writing, so giving that answers to the questions kind of, and which are high probable having these questions may directly appear in prelims, who knows. So that's why I'm adding, if possible, go through them. Yeah, so what are the different risks and rewards of using unmanned aerial vehicles? As less of a threat compared to the inhabited or piloted fighter jets. So how should India evolve as UAVs become integrated into military operations? Here it is a question and answer format. Every time I'm at least adding 3 to question and answer format and 2 at least quiz format. इट गिव्स आंसर राइटिंग. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. क्विज में आपको प्रीलिम्स को कैसे आंसर करना है आएगा, और दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर में आपको मेंस पॉइंट्स कैसे प्रेजेंट करना आएगा. तो कमिंग बैक टू दिस पर्टिकुलर आर्टिकल, UAVs are and by large less dangerous since even those are capable of carrying weapon payloads, still less capable than fighter jets. So here they are talking about, while this perceived lower level of threat can prevent actions from resulting a conventional warfare, which is encourage risk-taking behaviors. So challenge for India is to figure out how to effectively deal with UAVs, especially in relating to its neighboring countries. And finally, the one who given this Q&A and crux is a researcher at Takshashila University institution. So when a research person is giving few inputs, you should definitely give a crux. So here the questions are, why are UAVs seen as less of a threat? So answer they have given. Second question, are there recent examples of this? Yes, they have mentioned about Strait of Hormuz, Iranian surface to air missile, and other important like American MQ-9 Reaper UAV, etc. So final question, what are the repercussions for India? See, इधर आप stress करोगे and make a note of all the important points they mentioned. Yes, again, just now mentioned, no, quiz important. So questions are framed on few important topics like Sati Sulochana movies, and first of its Kannada cinema kind of. So 2022 Yes Starrer film, sequel of 2018 film, became the highest grossing film of Kannada, and few other inputs. If possible, go through this quiz once and just give a glance. Hardly it will take 3 to 4 minutes, but you will be getting much more important content. See, Hindu is such a prestigious global paper. उसमें अगर कुछ दे रहा है तो नाम के वास्ते तो नहीं देगा ना, जरूरी वो ज़रूरी है उसको देखना as you are preparing for competitive exams. That's it, simple. Pursue centralization of Ekalavya schools, House panel urges government. So this is the next article which is talking about Union government urgently pursue the centralization, where the Eklavya schools and empower the National Education Society for tribal students further to run them. In this article, they have mentioned about PM Janman package across 29,000 villages where particularly vulnerable tribal groups reside. So here they have also come up with a few facts and data where they were talking about a panel in its report mentioned where the Tribal Affairs Ministry budget was increased in this financial year to 14,000 crores. So, on the Tribal Freedom Fighters Museum, the panel appreciated the government's efforts to recognize this struggle, but noted that 8 of the museums that were sanctioned between 2017 to 2020 were yet to be finished. 3 were launched in Jharkhand, Jabalpur, and Chhindwara. ये है आपका प्रीलिम्स फैक्ट एंड इस आर्टिकल में जो कुछ भी लिया दिया गया है एंड इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट synopsis and analysis where you can write in your mains answer. That's it. India AI mission on Gates Foundation to sign pact on AI. Yes, so Gates Foundation and Union Government of India is signing MOU especially on India AI mission. For what? As we are trying to build our nation strong even in artificial intelligence by achieving those AI missions का जो 8 factors है, as I already mentioned. I clearly explained that in our previous session. Is possible, go back and check. So for better crops, mainly for better crops, see these are keywords which you should definitely write. For better crops, for stronger healthcare, मैंने बताया था कि अर्ली वार्निंग सिस्टम होगा, डिटेक्शन ऑफ chronic diseases hoga with the help of AI and robots, and smarter education, as we all already we can sense that how ChatGPT and AI related tools are used for education purpose and all, and climate resilience, where we can avoid extreme weather conditions or disasters kind of. So it is all about the India AI mission aims to promote development, ये important है, research and use of AI in India. मतलब so that we can become this global power. वही तो मोटो है, वो हमेशा बात कर रहे हैं. So AI mission began allocating computing infrastructure in the form of a shared pool of graphic cards. Recently, I think 2-3 days back we have discussed about AI Kosh, which is one of the factor or one of the component of AI mission. Please go back and once again check that. See, this is why I tell you maintain consistency, because अभी AI mission बताते ही आपको पूरा missions of AI mission, pillars of AI mission, what are the components, what are the structures, what are the challenges, what are the observations, what are the schemes, everything we have already discussed. So अगर जब मैं आर्टिकल अभी बता रही हूँ तो इमीडिएटली दैट शुड कीप इन योर माइंड, रन इन योर माइंड, मतलब आपको बैकग्राउंड में याद आना चाहिए कि हाँ इसको हमने 3 दिन के पहले ही पढ़ा है एंड दीज आर द रिलेवेंट एस्पेक्ट्स बोल के. Yes, so the next article is about devotion with dedication. So मैंने बताया था कि केस स्टडी लिखते वक्त, ethics आंसर लिखते वक्त, even if you are writing something related to main society or empowerment or something, here these particular articles are again I'm adding for giving that kind of inputs, synopsis, where which is highly impossible for you to find anywhere. So here in this particular article they are talking about when we seek help physically or financially from our friends or relatives, they may sometimes disdain, scorn, or stare at us. But when we plead with God, make an absolute surrender. His melting mercy will definitely show us pity and show us some path, right path. Here they have mentioned an example also where we are talking about Pandua's mother Kunti Devi appealed to Lord Krishna to subject her to more problems and testing times so that she could remember him forever. So forgetting God, His qualities will be the most incredible difficulty in man's life. That's different. So here they are. I have given one more fact or synopsis, which is talking about Ramanujamji said in a discourse that karma is the root cause of our problems. See, this is what they say, no? Karma theory. The one who doing anthropology or sociology might have know about this. So karma theory, what is called a cycle of life, life after birth, all these things, or life after death and reincarnation and cycle of this life and all these things. सो कर्मा हिट्स हार्ड वो सब हम बात करते हैं ना, एंथ्रोपोलॉजी में, सोशियोलॉजी में भी बात है, इवन जनरल में भी बात करते हैं. सो हियर ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट कर्मा इज द रूट कॉज ऑफ ऑल अवर प्रॉब्लम्स. It can be classified into three categories. The first is less intense, second is mediocre, and the third is high intensity. मतलब जो extreme होते हैं. So through prayers, the first can be eradicated, the power of second can be weakened, and the effect of the third can be neutralized only by undergoing and experiencing the difficulties. This is what they say. So but through our sincere prayers, God हमको support करते हैं. सो यहाँ और एक आर्टिकल भी दिया गया है विच इज टॉकिंग अबाउट एरोगेंस हिंडर्स इन मैन्स ग्रोथ. सो वन शुड नॉट बी एरोगेंट, वन शुड नॉट carry that ego or jealous or comparison kind of. Here in this particular article यहाँ line last line में आपको दिखाई देगा. So if we fail to think God is great, our minds will keep wandering. So submission, humility, obedience are essential for prayers. See यहाँ ये prayer का बात कर रहा है, लेकिन clearly talking submission, humility and obedience are essential for one's own growth in their career and in life also, to be a best human being. So if we lack trust and confidence, we should pray first to develop the same and then for his blessings. So ये आपको इतना explain इसलिए किया गया है. This is how you have to frame sentences and connect that analysis when you are writing your ethics. Ethics को रट्टा करने से, कोई पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक पर्टिकुलर बुक में पढ़ लेने से नहीं आता है. इनबिल्ट इट इन योर बॉडी, माइंड, ब्लड, देन ओनली यू कैन प्रेजेंट दैट. मतलब आप जो सोच रहे हो, कर रहे हो, वही आंसर्स में नोइंगली अनोइंगली रिफ्लेक्ट होता है. सो इट्स अ सिंसियर सजेशन, डेवलप दिस काइंड ऑफ नेचर. सो मतलब आप अगर बेस्ट रहोगे तो आंसर ऑटोमेटिकली बेस्ट रहेगा. इफ यू आर सो स्मार्ट एंड शोइंग सम show off kind of smartness or cunning kind of answers में वही reflect हो जाएगा. That's it. So we do not want to import politics from overseas. This is again question and answers. You can quote this and you can write it. And technology an enabler, but boosts on ground can't be replaced. This is highly important. Both prelims के लिए, mains के लिए, lots of facts and inputs and data दिया गया है. Here he is clearly mentioning about, see again it's discussion and keynote speech which is given on Raisina dialogue. So here he is talking about emergence of warfare. मतलब एक time था when the whole of government was working for the welfare of the nation, and the types of war they taught us or seen us were traditional wars. But now it was, those were like declared wars, but now they are like completely conflicts or perennial or ubiquitous. So these kind of words आपको लिखना है when you are talking about Russia Ukraine or Gaza Palestine or Israel issues or something related to जो भी नेशन का मतलब नेशनल इंटरनेशनल लेवल्स वॉर्स हो रहे हैं, उसको बात करते वक्त दीज काइंड ऑफ कीवर्ड्स आपको लिखना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. तो हियर ही क्लियरली मेंशन्ड, ही आइडेंटिफाइड 6 key areas like persistent surveillance, this is the one, and robust data sharing, this is the another one, and third one is human resource, like human resource training, and third one is electromagnetic spectrum dominance, real time operational picture, and ability to deliver mass in numbers and logistical dominance. So these are the key areas where they are focusing, so that the critical and defense and energy security system should be developed and focused, so that the global security environment should be taken care. And again those global security जो है environment जो है, again marked by two aspects like uncertainty and rapid change, which we can easily observe from the recent Trump and Zelensky's that tough discussion which went on Oval Office. So because of this lots of uncertainty and rapid change, ये 6 areas को अपन focus करने से we can handle and we can change the battlefield. This is what he is all talking about. राइसिना dialogue में जो भी keynotes special persons ने दिए हैं, it's a sincere suggestion. Please make a note of all those important inputs in your current affairs notes. Mains के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा important रहेगा. Yeah, as I always add these pictures from digital version to give a crux because पूछ सकता है, having high chances of getting questions on this because festivals, especially local festivals जो होते हैं, high probable questions होते हैं when it is relevant to what is called cultural or economical or agricultural related or monsoon related. So local festivals जो होते हैं या particularly जो tribal festivals होते हैं highly important होते हैं. We can see that from previous years questions many times they have framed questions, especially northeastern states के जो होते हैं festivals बहुत ज़्यादा बार वो question frame किया गया है. So coming back to this particular article, they are talking about these colored bullocks participating in Bhagat Rath Yatra festival in Bhavdan state of Satara, Maharashtra. So the sacred Bhagat or chariot is pulled by the 8 bullocks or out of hundreds part for the festivals. So this is about location एक बार देख लीजिए, मतलब महाराष्ट्र में हो रहा है. Significance एक बार देख लीजिए. उसके बाद में बस ये याद रख लीजिए कि इसके वजह से वो पर्टिकुलर ट्राइबल कम्युनिटी या कम्युनिटी को कैसा मतलब कैसे कनेक्ट होता है उनके लाइवलीहुड या सर्वाइवल और इकोनॉमी जनरेशन के लिए. दैट्स इट. आई होप इट्स क्लियर. या मैंने आपको बताया था ना हाउ दे आर सेलिब्रेटिंग सुनीता विलियम्स कम बैक. सो यस. या नागपुर रियट्स द यूज ऑफ मेडिकल ट्रोप टू पोलराइज पीपल. ये आर्टिकल हमने ऑलरेडी बता दिया है. सो इसमें एक एग्जाम्पल दिया गया है कि वेयर द रिसेंट बॉक्स ऑफिस सक्सेस ऑफ छावा, ए फिल्म डिपेक्टिंग द हिस्टोरिकल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बिटवीन मराठास under Chhatrapati Sambhaji and Mughals under Aurangzeb has fueled the communal discourse. So, however, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis' assertion that the film's popularity triggered the unrest is a convenient deflection. So, one that absolves the government of responsibility for fostering an atmosphere of hostility through its reasoning is recurrent. So, this is just giving a glance, matlab how these political machinery and how these public discord through inflammatory rhetoric, manipulating communal loyalties for electoral gains, how this frames, how this takes care of, how this frames or shapes a particular event into violent for the electoral benefits, वो बताया गया है. Yes, safe from space, as I already mentioned, it's all about hitting back splashdown of NASA astronauts March 19 SpaceX crew capsule. That's it. Delimitation रेड फ्लैग लेसन्स फ्रॉम जम्मू कश्मीर एंड असम. ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. बहुत सारे फैक्ट्स एंड इनपुट्स एंड एनालिसिस हैं. आई डू वन थिंग, आई कीप इट, I'll try to do a separate session for this, as I'm planning to do few important sessions on editorial soon. I will be adding these on those particular article and I'll give a complete picture because it is highly important for both prelims and mains. डिलिमिटेशन है ना सिलेबस में, तो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. एंड हाँ, टेलीकॉम ट्रिब्यूनल का 3-4 डेज से बहुत ज़्यादा आर्टिकल्स आ जा रहे हैं. Lots of discussions are going on, especially from this Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, or data protection rules, or digital protection personal rules, and digital what is called version data protection board, and all these things. Lots of discussions going on. I will be giving a complete discussion about this particular topic, as it mentioned Justice B.N. Sri Krishna Committee's report to set up new tribunal or confer powers to an existing tribunal. So this, it's a highly important, having high chances of appearing in both prelims and mains. So I'll be discussing this in detail in separate session. I'll add these slides there and I'll give a complete separate session for this. At least 10 to 15 minutes लेगा ये एक और ये delimitation वाला एक. So I don't want to discuss it now. Yeah, 50 years ago, 100 years ago, I always tell you to make a note because case study या facts की जगह आप इसको लिख सकते हो. So food deal with US finalized 50 years ago. So what was the event? You just go through once. Fire in waxworks 100 years ago. So how it concentrated their attention on preventing spread of conflagration. Just go through. Yeah, torture shadows India's justice system. Again, this is highly important, where it is talking about Vishaka case, High Courts of Justice in London, and he given few comparative studies. He discussed about habeas corpus. He discussed about few cases relevant to right to dignity and privacy, where he was discussing about D.K. Basu's 1997's case and Puttuswamy. अगेन बता रही हूँ, के एस पुट्टुस्वामी के ऊपर इस साल क्वेश्चन आएगा ही आएगा, और राइट टू प्राइवेसी का तो पक्का आएगा. So K.S. Puttaswamy's case on 2017 and Nambi Narayanan on 2018. This was a just like important, बस important ही है नंबी नारायण का. And Romila Thapas 2018 again, and one more that is on Ashwini Kumar on 2019. Even the Tehseen Poonawala 2018, Ranveer Ahlabadia 2025. So list of cases, please make sure and write it in your polity or governance related. और जब भी कुछ भी आपको लगेगा यस ये important है, लिख दो. जैसे कि मैंने बताया था, सो सराय बानू केस जो था 2017 का, which can be defeated through inaction, indifference and ambivalence and all these things. And मैंने ये भी बताया था when there was a discussion about right to die with dignity. So अरुणा शानभाग जी का केस था. So all these are high probable topics. Instead of you always dumping down the analysis or irrelevant facts, you should definitely quote these case studies also. It gives a lots of impact that yes you have that judicial में जो हो रहा है, judiciary में जो हो रहा है, law and order कैसा है आपको पता चलेगा, where all these are directly indirectly talking about articles from 21, 19 and all these things. Yes, so this article is clearly about right to dignity and privacy and relevant aspects जो भी हैं दिया गया है. इसको हमने अच्छी तरीके से थोड़ा फ्रेम किया है एक complete detailed version करके. I'll be discussing this in detail in, and I'll be releasing these particular topics as separate videos, separate classes में release करूँगी. Yes, the road to a $1 trillion economy, as this is about few highlights of the documents in the climate risk assessment and all. Tamil Nadu's का highlights एक बार just देख लो. A regional divide in blue collar worker migration from India. Here they have given few facts and data and flowcharts which are talking about contributions of migrants to Gulf migrations and all. And what about this Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Gulf countries? Especially this is the data indicating decline in the Gulf countries' share of India's inward remittances. This is what all about. So here they clearly mentioning about significant impact on states such as Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, West Bengal, which have continued to get this, and states like Tamil Nadu, Kerala, AP, Telangana, Punjab, historically major contributors of migrants to Gulf migration, have seen considerable decline. This is what this article is about. So if possible this remittance flows और इसका impacts जो है, implications जो है, कहाँ improve हुआ है, कहाँ decrease हुआ है, कौन से states में क्या situations है, so उसकी वजह से economy कैसे impact हो रहा है, ये बताने के लिए आप चाहे तो ये facts and data को लिख के रख सकते हो. That's it, nothing more than that. Is the APAR ID for students mandatory? Yes. Yeah or no? So this is question. What does APAR stand for? So what is this national education policy saying? So what about the right to information? And why it is not mandatory according to a document posted in ID's official site? So automated permanent academic account registry. What about one nation, one student? What about accumulating and storing students' academic accomplishments? What about these parents have the opinion of writing to schools and opting out of generating the PAR ID? See, this is very much important for your prelims and mains. So be very ready with this particular topic. So ये particular article बोल रहा है, when the Internet Freedom Foundation attempted to file a right to information application on its policy documents, the union government transferred the advocacy's application over 30 times with no clear answer for months. So parents have the option of writing to schools and opting out of generating a PAR ID. So चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए? चाहिए तो क्यों? नहीं चाहिए तो क्यों? How it is affecting the rights, basic privacy, basic information and all these things. यस, साइबर सिक्योरिटी का, डाटा का, सबका सेफगार्ड्स का इशू होता है ना, पर्टिकुलरली इट इज़ रिलेटेड टू चिल्ड्रंस डेटा getting exposed to third parties. So how far it is safe? This is what this article about. What are the different risks and rewards? मैंने ये तो बता दिया, फिर क्यों आ गया? It's okay. The elusive quest for happiness in an uncertain and competitive world. This is again related to ethics. I just added this slide to make sure that you should get this kind of synopsis and analysis, which are highly important for writing ethical answers. हैप्पीनेस का क्वेश्चन था ना प्रीवियस ईयर्स में PYQ में पूछा गया था हैप्पी सोल एंड माइंड के बारे में, तो एक बार देख लो बस, उससे ज़्यादा जरूरी नहीं है. इट्स अ सिंपल सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी आर्टिकल वेयर इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट हैप्पीनेस हैज टर्न्ड आउट टू बी बिग इंडस्ट्री. सिंपल. सो किताब के बारे में, उनके वर्शंस के बारे में डिस्कस किया गया है. डबलिंग इंडिया UAE airline capacity can save. See, recently we have done an editorial on India and UAE where they are focusing on improving this connectivity, airline, doubling the airline capacity, doubling of capacity over 5 years जो भी है. So how मतलब how we are getting, how it is improving the exchange of connectivity, as well as how it has reached maximum capacity of getting that what is called वो जो $1.05 बिलियन का जो भी है वो सब कुछ. सो नेशनल इंटरेस्ट कैसे है, यहाँ आपको आ जाएगा, उड़ान स्कीम आ जाएगा. और रिसेंटली एज आई ऑलरेडी मैंशनड Kinjarpur Mohan Naidu is came up with lots of initiatives, especially he's focusing on lots of incremental infrastructural development activities on airlines, aviation sector. So this is all about doubling India UAE airline capacity, which can save this $1.05 billion. So how it do, how it is can be handled. So what are the challenges, what are the observation, how it is improving the connectivity, what about the investments and all these things. That's it. इसराइल लॉन्चेस ग्राउंड ऑपरेशन इन गाजा. ये मैंने इसलिए ऐड किया है कि मतलब वहाँ क्या हो रहा है आपको जानने के लिए, बस नथिंग मोर देन दैट. सो गाजा हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री सेइंग कि एटलीस्ट 436 पीपल इंक्लूडिंग 183 चिल्ड्रन एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स, मतलब अफेक्टेड काइंड ऑफ फैक्ट्स जो है. सो लिमिटेड ग्राउंड ऑपरेशन जो है उसको, उसके बारे में बात कर रही है. और ये हमस, इसराइल, पालस्तीन से सब कुछ क्या कर रहे हैं, UN ऑफिस फॉर प्रोजेक्ट सर्विसेज क्या बोल रहा है. So this is what all about. So what about the future generations? It's simply questioning that. Pakistan has stepped up pressure on Afghan refugees to return. Rights group. This particular article is talking about Pakistan officials should immediately stop that coercing Afghans to return to their place. As Afghans क्या बोल रहे हैं, अगर हम पीछे जाएंगे तो we can't tolerate that तालिबान्स एग्जीक्यूशन जो है, वो डायर इकोनॉमिक कंडीशंस जो है तालिबान्स का, वो हम फेस नहीं कर सकते हैं. वी कांट रिस्क आवर लाइफ्स. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट हमें ये जो क्या बोलते हैं प्रोटेक्शन चाहिए. सो ह्यूमन राइट्स वॉच जो भी है, न्यूयॉर्क बेस्ड ह्यूमन राइट्स वॉच. सी, this is how UPSC frames question. They may ask you which of the following nations releases human rights watch or relevant to or works for. न्यूयॉर्क बेस्ड बोल के आप बता दोगे. So they came a few observation talking about deadline for the deportation and all. So these people are saying Trump should restore the program, and Afghans waiting for this relocation to US should have been taken care of. This is what this article is about. That's it, simple. Okay, done for today. मैंने जहाँ तक भी करना है उससे ज़्यादा ही कर रही हूँ, so that you will be having extraordinary sessions and extraordinary content development and input synopsis आपको मिले, so that you will be getting that right direction for writing your answers, clearing and getting top ranks. आपकी तरफ से आपको सिर्फ ये करना है कि consistently attend the sessions, make a note of all the important synopsis and analysis whatever I'm teaching in the sessions. Do revise them repeatedly. That's it, nothing more than that. देखिए, आपको क्लास बताने के लिए हम इतना बैठ के कर रहे हैं मेहनत. आपको मतलब आपको रैंकर बनाने के लिए जब हम इतना कर रहे हैं, तो आपको रैंक पाना है तो आपको और कितना करना चाहिए. जस्ट इमेजिन, बिकॉज यू आर द वन हु इज गोइंग टू राइट द एग्जाम. So it's definitely your responsibility to be very thorough with your preparation. I hope it's clear. Study well. All the best. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.